Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso machines. Today we're testing this Pavoni espresso machine. Looks like it needs a clip. 2 clips actually. And I'll put that in. And let's go ahead and test the machine. The crema might not, I'm not sure how good the crema is going to be because I'm using a decaf coffee. And we're going to see what that decaf coffee looks like. I've never used it before. Not great. Yeah, it's okay. Anyways, let's test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.